Welcome back to Red Rivals, and in today's video, I'm going to be talking about Luke Shaw, and it's sort of an uncomfortable situation for Luke Shaw right now, with Patrick Dorgu performing a lot better than him, and with his injuries as well, and with Lisandro potentially coming back. It is, it's a sticky situation for both Dallo and Luke Shaw, क्योंकि like उनका their position in the starting 11 is in jeopardy, right? Daloka obviously with Mbeumo coming, so Ahmad is fixed at right wing back. And अगर Ahmad somehow plays right wing or send like कुछ और role खेलता है तो Mazraoui will play right wing back. And with Mazraoui's Mazraoui being very dynamic, कि right center back भी खेल सकता है, right wing back भी खेल सकता है. So with that, I think Dalo का थोड़ा you know he might just end up being a bench warmer. But yeah, and it's sad actually. Like at least for Dalo it is. क्योंकि like 2 seasons back he was our best player, and Dallo is not a bad player by any means, but yeah, he's not as dynamic as Mazraoui, and he can't play center back obviously. So yeah, but I'm going to be talking about Luke Shaw majorly today, and this is a player who was at one point considered like England's best left back for like a good 5, 6, 7 years, and like you all remember the goal in the Euro final in the third minute, and then the dribble against City, and I think he scored as well in that game. Like it is just sad what has ended up happening to him. But the question that I'm going to be focusing on is that is it over for Luke Shaw? मतलब क्योंकि like see he came from a batch of players which was getting shat on like every weekend, है ना? Scott McTominay, Harry Maguire, all these players were with Luke Shaw at that time. They were getting the same shit as he was, maybe even more. But like तुम देखो भाई like where McTominay literally won Serie A MVP और Harry Maguire को देखो like these are incredible comeback stories, and for Luke Shaw to be from those same batch of players and not have this sort of comeback or a redemption arc, it would just be sad. And like Amarim का current squad देखते हुए it is seeming kind of impossible. मतलब he could have like a good few games off the bench, but I don't see him having as good of a season as Harry Maguire had last season. और McTominay तो obviously McTominay like nobody predicted that, मतलब कुछ और ही कर दिया उसने. एक टाइम था जब Luke Shaw was like genuinely solid. मतलब all of us used to like despite the mistakes, a few of them, and despite the concede the goals we used to concede Ole wale era में, despite all of that, like I think like most of United fans used to back Luke Shaw to be the player that we need to keep if we're getting rid of everyone else. And he looked genuinely solid, but well, yeah, things went wrong. And injuries, थोड़े setbacks here and there. And right now Luke Shaw is 29. So it's not really, as a physical wise, uska there is still time for a redemption arc. But वही है कि will it be at United is the big question. अब ideally he should still have top potential like 3 4 साल और के लिए, है ना? लेकिन ever since that Euro final ये एक start है कि he has just 70 appearances in the Premier League as compared to Harry Maguire, the substitute backup center back जब से Lisandro Martinez आया, with 95 Prem appearances. So that is kind of shocking actually. So as for the current situation, सबसे recent game obviously the Europa final. It looked like he looked pretty bad after that, and उसका जो interview था post match, it sort of gave me वो PK वाली vibes after the 8-2. तो वही like थोड़ा self critical and मतलब that was the vibe that he was giving off. And थोड़ा sad है क्योंकि like तुम अगर देखोगे like McTominay, Harry Maguire ये सब उसी के बैच के players हैं, and the trajectory that they have had, he is nowhere near that, and future में भी ऐसा कुछ sign दिख नहीं रहा. And it's crazy to me कि मतलब someone that good who scored in the Euro final, and like people used to call him the like arguably the best left back for England for like a good 5 6 years, and अब like he will potentially be reduced to just a bench warmer for like Dorgu and Lisandro, and you can't even argue with that क्योंकि ठीक है like he might be better on the ball than Dorgu, but he is not as good like when it matters like आगे आगे पीछे करना. Dorgu is a better presser than him. और अभी तुमने देखा ही था लीड्स वाले फ्रेंडली में how aggressive Dorgu is with it. एंड शॉ थोड़ा कभी कभी ही स्लो विद लाइक ठीक है ही माइट बी बेटर ऑन क्रॉसेस, लेकिन ओवरलैप रन्स में ये सब काफी स्लो है वो. एंड इफ we're caught on that counter, so there's no chance that Luke Shaw tracks back as good as Dorgu will. And वही है, and he's also rusty. मतलब like you can't trust a player जो like तुम्हें पता नहीं कब इंजर हो जाएगा. So वही I think Amarim will play Lisandro, like that is fixed at left centre back, और Dorgu का भी fixed है. So वही है, we'll see what Amarim does with Luke Shaw, and it's just sad the whole situation. The other thing that I want to talk about is whether next season is a do or die season for him. क्योंकि देखो like जब वेरान और लिसांड्रो खेल रहे थे, and we were on the verge of selling Harry Maguire, or he didn't want to go, he didn't want to leave obviously, and he pushed himself through that. And like Shaw has never gotten the amount of stick that Harry Maguire used to get, but Harry Maguire persevered through it. और अब लूक शॉ की बारी है, कैन ही डू दैट ऑफ द बेंच कमिंग, और लाइक नो डिसरिस्पेक्ट बट वी कांट कैरी ऑन विद डेड वेट. तो अगर अगले सीजन लूक शॉ नहीं परफॉर्म करता है ऑफ द बेंच, या अगर मिस्टेक्स करता है जैसे ब्रेंडन जॉनसन वाला गोल था यूरोपा फाइनल में, सो आई थिंक एमरम विल किक हिम आउट. एंड वही है लाइक कितने में बिकेगा, दैट इज द क्वेश्चन देन. एंड with his current state, I don't think we'll get a lot of money for him. So वही है like you would not have predicted this like 2 3 years ago जब उसने वो सिटी वाला गोल मारा था, लिंक अप करके मार्शल के साथ. तो मतलब वही है like it's very sad and I can see this happening to Dallo as well, लेकिन Dallo is a lot younger. But वही है, Dallo also needs to prove himself off the bench next season क्योंकि उसका पोजीशन तो है ही जेपर्डी में. Now, another aspect on which I can't criticize him, मतलब it's not his fault obviously, is the injuries. क्योंकि like उसको जब मौका मिलता है कम बैक करने का, तो like he gets injured. मतलब मैं वो सोचता होगा कि like भाई टुडे इज द गेम आई शो देम, एंड लाइक वो 60th मिनट में सब ऑफ हो रहा है विद एन इंजरी. सो इट इज रियली सैड. और यू कैन बी ओवर क्रिटिकल ऑफ हिम, लेकिन वही है लाइक वी डोंट हैव टाइम फॉर ऑल दिस. लाइक लुक एट आवर लीग पोजीशन है ना, वी डोंट हैव टाइम फॉर रस्टी प्लेयर्स है ना. एंड लेटिंग लाइक 2 3 गेम तुम उसको नहीं अफोर्ड कर सकते देना कि भाई टेक योर टाइम विद इट. लाइक वी हैव Lisandro Martinez ready to go है ना, and Lisandro also gets injured, but I don't think he looks as rusty as Luke Shaw does. और यूरोपा फाइनल में तुमने देखा ही था कितना स्लो था बिल्डअप में लूक शॉ. एंड वही है, द गोल ऑब्वियसली स्पीक्स फॉर इटसेल्फ. एंड आई डोंट अग्री विद ऑल द फैट शेमिंग जोक्स है ना कि जब रोनाल्डो आया तो लाइक उसने डाइट चेंज कराई तो लूक शॉ वाज डिसअपॉइंटेड, ये सब लाइक ठीक है, दैट्स ऑल द बैंटर पार्ट ऑफ इट. बट वही है, इट शुडंट बी एन एक्सक्यूज फॉर शॉ. क्योंकि वही है लाइक लुक एट मैग्वायर, उससे ज्यादा नहीं मिला है भाई तुझे, एंड मैग्वायर persevered through it. So like it is time to get real now with Luke Shaw, and I think अगला season is a do or die, and we could potentially sell him off to some you know like जो भी लेना चाहे. I don't think कोई एक 30-year-old रस्टी इंजरी प्रोन सेंटर बैक लाइक लेफ्ट सेंटर बैक पोटेंशियली को लेना चाहेगा. But yeah, we'll see about that. Now, realistically, what Shaw can hope for next season is that something goes really wrong with Dorgu and he gets time to prove himself. क्योंकि Amorim थोड़ा impatient तो लगता है मुझे, क्योंकि उसने ज़्यादा टाइम दिया नहीं like एंटनी को भी, रैशफोर्ड को भी. So I think जैसे ही शॉ पिच पे आएगा, the time is ticking for him. And I hope he मतलब I want him to stay यार. मतलब like you all know how solid he was in his prime है ना, and he's still 29. like अभी चल रहा है भाई तेरा prime, like 3 4 साल हैं, but वही injuries. So yeah, next season is truly a do or die, and it mostly depends on how Dorgu and Lissandra perform as well. क्योंकि like I don't see him competing with them realistically unless कुछ miracle हो जाए. It would be nothing short of a miracle if Luke Shaw stays at this club like 2-3 years from now. Your thoughts on Luke Shaw?
अबे मोटे
Hell ना भाई. These Liverpool fans man. Like थोड़ा sympathy दे भाई बंदे को यार, मतलब he's so injury prone. थोड़ा he give him time for a comeback यार.
मुझे तो नहीं मिली सिंपैथी. याद है ना क्या हुआ था मेरे साथ?
Yeah. That is a story for another day. Q&A में बताएंगे. Q&A में बताएंगे.
For those who know.
Yeah. So, what are your okay? Will Luke Shaw be at United 2 years from now?
I don't think so. I genuinely don't think so. क्योंकि see more than I don't like मेरे को उसका वो पहले तो मेरे को हाइप समझ में नहीं आया उसकी. यूरोज में he was good. उसके बाद वो बेस्ट वाले कमबैक no sorry.
Wait, what? Like कौन था फिर तेरे लिए इंग्लैंड का बेस्ट लेफ्ट बैक? Like
Oh,
20
England, okay, हाँ,
2015 to
England is fine. England is fine. England is fine. जब उसको वर्ल्ड वाले शाउट आ रहे थे, if you don't remember, I saw it.
वर्ल्ड वाले आ रहे थे.
आ रहे थे.
हैं.
And उस टाइम पे डेविस, थियो हर्नांडेज ये सब भी थे, तो like
I mean like ठीक है. डेविस, एंडी रॉबर्टसन.
हाँ मतलब वो तो जेनरिक नाम थे, but like he was not up there. England का best obviously, there is no question about it.
वही.
Like ट्रिपियर को कोई लेफ्ट बैक पे नहीं खिला, राइट बैक को. But उसके बाद I don't think he has done anything for the club. Has he?
He hasn't.
I don't know what he spoke about. मैं अभी just आया, but like
क्या?
like मेरे को नहीं पता तुमने वीडियो में क्या बात की ना, तो
वही it is the clock is
मैंने
ticking.
उसको कभी like I don't know, I've never heard from him कि damn भाई like look at his body, he's like damn like इंजरी से वापस आया, he's working on himself. एंड गेम में तो मेरे को कभी दिखा ही नहीं है वो, या खेला भी है क्या वो? नहीं, आई डोंट थिंक सो खेला पिछले सीजन में 3-4 महीने के लास्ट के.
हाँ उसके अलावा नहीं खेला.
एग्जैक्टली. सो आई थिंक ही इज मोर वॉश्ड दैट काइल वॉकर इज. He should go back to Southampton.
Damn.
That is what
he's 29 though. That's what? The thing. हाँ he's 29.
हाँ.
वही he plays like he's 35 भाई. Like कुछ तो.
But see like अगर वो अपने पे आ जाए ना, अगर वो वापस वो 2021 जो 4 साल पहले वाला प्राइम था, वो ले आए, he is your best left back.
No, but that.
But again ना, मतलब तुम उस बेसिस पे नहीं कर सकते ना, like इंजरीज के बाद it takes a toll on the player's mental as well as physical health. तो that is also something which we should consider as human.
वही. I mean तू क्या बोल रहा है अभी तो मोटा बोला.
वो तो मैं भी हूँ इस ईयर के बाद,
but नहीं, that is a point I didn't mention कि like every time he got injured, ठीक है, how are you coming back as fat as you were before the injury? Like did you not like कुछ condition है क्या तुझे? मतलब it is actually ये बात कभी टॉपिक कभी आया यूनाइटेड.
And I don't think he cared enough because उसको competition नहीं था, क्योंकि वही था ना कि like even a like overweight Luke Shaw is better than Sergio Reguilon या Alex Telles. So the gap उतना था कि he never had to work his ass for something which actually mattered. So the lack of competition. लेके आओ क्या इसको? Views आ जाएंगे.
What are your thoughts about Luke Shaw? उधर देख के बोल कैमरा. Okay, you sound like a City fan. We're kicking him out the house by the way.
बोल कुछ, खाना नहीं मिलेगा नहीं तो.
कैमरा शाय है,
कैमरा शाय. He is literally speechless about this situation of Luke Shaw. इसको Luke Shaw बोलते ही जाना है इसको. देख Luke Shaw. Bro, is Luke Shaw the best left back in the world? Was Luke Shaw's height ever valid?
Okay, Shaw, I think that's your sign. That's your sign, man.
इसने कभी फुटबॉल देखा भी नहीं है. Bro was literally born in the 24-25 season.
You gotta go.
He hates you.
Yeah. So that's it for the video. I can't drag it any longer.
और कितना ही hating कर लेंगे हम.
I didn't hate. नहीं मतलब तुम्हें तो पता है. ये नहीं आ रहा वीडियो में. आने जाना है.
फिजियो भाई मैं फिजियो करके आया यार.
हाँ ठीक है. Okay, cool. So we'll do a Q&A by the way when we reach 100 subscribers. So like subscribe करो अपने दादी.
Personal life के बारे में जो भी पूछना है पूछ.
अपने दादी वगैरह के फोन से like
क्यों नहीं भाई, अगर वो व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे सुबह सुबह हरी ओम गुड मॉर्निंग भेज सकती है,
वही।
why not, like it's completely valid. So
एंड वंस अगेन अगर तुम यहाँ तक हो आउटरो तक, सल्यूट, एंड इट्स आल्सो लाइक ओवर फॉर यू,
नहीं,
like in
it's not
terms
over.
of,
नहीं, please, we know our loyal viewers,
yeah, okay.
we really appreciate your existence.
Shout out to the Brighton fan.
And Momo. And
That's a,
और कौन है जिसको शाउट आउट देना है? आज तो खुश कर देते हैं इनको, कौन देखता है यूजुअली? Recently, flat number 31 is also has also been watching our videos. So shout out to the whole flat.
yeah.
And और कौन है?
Shout out to my little brother as well.
Yes.
He watches.
Shout
Spurs
out.
fan है, but like we'll उसको माफ करेंगे.
अभी नहीं, थोड़ा बड़ा बंदा है उसको.
भाई, I mean भाई मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ? They beat us in the final.
उसको
But
लेके we will discuss. हमने 4-1 हराया था, उनको we'll discuss.
भाई,
But I think that's actually it. बहुत
that's
फिर से
it.
वापस लंबा खींचा है.
that's it.